Setting up your Wiz smart bulb with Alexa is now faster than ever, taking just 3 to 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step of this streamlined process. First, install your Wiz bulb in any standard light fixture and power it on. The bulb will automatically enter setup mode, indicated by a slow pulsing light. Download the Wiz Connected app from your device's app store. Create an account or sign in, then tap Add Device and follow the pairing instructions to connect your bulb to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Open the Amazon Alexa app and navigate to Skills and Games. Search for the Wiz Connected skill and enable it. This creates the bridge between your Wiz bulbs and Alexa's voice control system. Link your Wiz account to Alexa by signing in when prompted. This allows Alexa to access and control your Wiz devices securely through the cloud. Allow Alexa to discover your Wiz devices automatically or manually add them if needed. Assign your bulbs to specific rooms or groups for organized voice control. You can say, "Alexa, turn on living room lights," instead of remembering individual bulb names. Setup is now complete. Your Wiz bulbs are connected to Alexa and ready for voice control. You can now use commands like "Alexa, turn on the lights," or "Alexa, dim the bedroom lights to 50% to control your smart lighting system. Now that your Wiz lights are connected to Alexa, let's optimize your setup and learn how to troubleshoot common issues for the best possible experience. First, let's enhance your smart lighting with custom Alexa routines. These allow you to control multiple lights with a single voice command and create personalized lighting scenes. Custom routines let you say things like, "Alexa, movie time to dim all living room lights," or "Alexa, good morning," to gradually brighten your bedroom lights. You can also set automatic schedules based on motion sensors or time of day. If you're experiencing connection issues, the most common problem is network compatibility. Wiz bulbs only work with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, not the faster 5 GHz networks. Check your router settings to ensure you're connecting to the correct network. Many modern routers broadcast both 2.4 and 5 GHz signals, so make sure you select the 2.4 GHz option during setup. Router placement is critical for reliable performance. Your router should be centrally located and within 30 feet of your Wiz bulbs for optimal signal strength. For voice recognition problems, use simple and distinct names for your devices and rooms. Avoid similar sounding names like kitchen light and living light, which can confuse Alexa. Maintain strong Wi-Fi signal strength throughout your home and keep both the Wiz Connected app and Alexa app updated to the latest versions for optimal performance and new features. Following these optimization and troubleshooting steps will ensure your Wiz lights work reliably with Alexa. Remember, use 2.4 GHz networks, keep devices close to your router, use distinct names, and maintain updated apps for the best smart lighting experience.